everybody. We're going to be doing a video over solving equations, specifically equations using the distributive property. All right, you'll notice that the distributive property is being used in this, and also for which variables are on both sides. We have x over here and x over here. All right, so right now, if you would please, we're going to go ahead and get this started. What was the very first thing you guys did in problem number 1, D1? What did you do?
We distributed 3 to 12x, 0.3 to 12x, and negative or minus 16.
Okay. So in the calculator, if you're not sure how to do this in your head, okay, you go to the calculator. I'm going to clear this out. You can type in 0.3 times 12, and you get 3.6. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write 3.6x. Then you're going to take that 3/10, 0.3, and you're going to multiply it to a negative 16. Some of you are like, hey, can I just do 0.3 times and put the negative in front of it? Absolutely. You get negative 4.8. But minus 4.8. All right. What I'd like you to do is put a couple of little railroad tracks right there, just to make sure you're aware of the equal sign. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply both terms by 4/10 right here. So in the calculator, you could, if you want to, take 0.4 times 12, and you should also get a 4.8. So we're going to write 4.8 minus, and 0.4 times 3x should give us 1.2. Back over here, minus 1.2x. Now at this point, you have to make a decision. We need to isolate the variable. So we're going to isolate the variable. So I'm going to highlight where the variables are. We have 3.6x over here, and we have a negative 1.2x. We need to get all the variables to one side of the equal sign. So which side do you think I'm going to move everything? To the left-hand side or to the right-hand side? What do you think? Left, you're correct, because I have more over here. So how do I get rid of a negative 1.2x? What am I going to add to both sides? I'm going to add 1.2x to both sides. So here's what I want you to do. You add 1.2x to this side. I want you to add 1.2x to the other side. These are additive inverses. They cancel out to 0. When you add these together, you're going to get a total of 4.8x minus 4.8 equals 4.8. So after I isolated the variable, okay, to one side I have to move the constant over here. I got to move all the numbers to the other side. So how do I get rid of a negative 4.8? What am I going to do to both sides next? Go ahead, D1.
Add 4.8 to both sides.
4.8, or 4 8/10 to both sides. Add 4.8 to both sides. I guess it kind of looks like I have caveman top there. Add 4.8 both sides.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so add 4.8 to both sides. Okay. And here's what you have left. Okay. I'm just going to move down over here. 4.8x equals, I know you guys are getting ready to leave, a total of 9.6. And what's the very final step that I need to do? Divide both sides by what? That's right. Divide by 4.8 on both sides. Okay? Everybody, when you do that, you get x equals 2. What I want you guys to do is do number 2 on your own and come up with an answer that you're ready to debate tomorrow.